Okay, we are working on sending data to the create function. Now we are going to test using this API here called platform called Postman. It allows us to communicate with the backend. Now from our code this side, what's happening? Let me just show the pages. We are trying to create a product. We need name, model, card image, and all those from the body. So you click on body, method is post, and the route. I think I specified the route there. Products to create. We add body data. I've decided to add a row body data. We name model, which you are getting from the request.body. Name model, card image. Okay, this is not the final. Finally, these images will be assets. We'll need to save them somewhere. So we'll have to process the image and save it and keep the image path to the database or full URL, which we can then point back. So when you are in the front end, you are able to view the images as they are sent, maybe from the server or from their storage location. So what you are going to do, you are going to try to save by sending a request. Click on send. Now we are getting the response saying message product created successfully. Product, we have all the details, updated at, created at. Yeah, this data is very important. So up to now we have been able to configure a server which is able to save a product, but it's not done because we are not yet able to save assets. See you from there. We'll continue from there.